Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the controller and moving to a well-lit surface so you can see small markings. Once done, press the battery bay latch or slide the cover away. This exposes either two AA slots or a rechargeable pack. Look closely at the polarity symbols. They tell you which way the cells go. Make sure the contacts inside are clean and free of debris, because poor contact causes intermittent power and frustration during gameplay. Now you align the plus and minus marks and gently slide each AA cell into its slot, negative end first if indicated, or seat the rechargeable pack with its contact pad against the controller terminals. Once the cells or pack sit flush, press firmly but evenly so metal contacts meet. This ensures reliable power transfer. Next, snap the cover closed until you hear the click and make sure there are no gaps. If the cover resists, double-check orientation rather than forcing it. Finally, power the controller on and watch for the ring of light or steady LED. This confirms success. If it doesn't power up, remove and reseat the cells or pack to ensure firm contact, and then clean the terminals with a 70% isopropyl wipe if you see dirt or corrosion. If problems persist, swap in fresh AA batteries or fully charge the rechargeable pack, and make sure the controller is synced to the console, in case the issue is a wireless connection rather than battery power.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.